Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to do a 2x2x2 Rubik's Cube today. First thing, just do your first color, right? And which I prefer doing white first. And there's white, okay? So now look for where you have two colors next to each other. So we know this corner and this corner is correct. So blue needs to go in there. So we're going to take out this blue color, put it in the right place, which is next to the blue here. And then you just put the other one back. So now the first layer is correct, as you can see. Okay, so if you turn the cube over, now you need to look for one corner which is absolutely correct or in the correct position permutated. We can see this one is correct, all right. It can be permutated, then we can also use it. Just look for one that's in the correct position, okay? And then you need to carefully look at the other three. That one is incorrect position. This one is incorrect position. This one is in the correct position. And this is where this cube is different from a 3x3x3 because you get scenarios where two corners are correct position and two is incorrect, which doesn't happen with a 3x3x3. Okay, when you get it like this across each other, let's just move these three clockwise. So you use that same algorithm as in 3x3x3. Okay, let's see what we've got now. All right, so now we've got two correct, and they don't have to be 100% correct like this. They just the position matter, right? They can be permutated. So these two is correct, but these two needs to swap, and that's what we're after, right? So if these two needs to swap, you just put the furthest right one in the lower right corner, and then you do the algorithm again to move this one there, really. So you do algorithm again. Okay, now we should be able to solve it as a normal 3x3x3. So we can check now what's happening. And that's exactly right. So now we could see all four corners is in the correct position. You've got your green, orange here, red, green here, blue, red here, and blue, orange here. And now you can just do the last step as in a normal 3x3x3. Keep your front end, it's blue in this case. There's until yellow is at the top. Move on to the next corner. Until it's on top. There it's on top, and just turn it into position. And there we go. Good luck.